Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have AlorAir's Zeus 900 air mover. Finally, there's an option for homeowners to have an air mover for their homes when they have high moisture situations. In the past, you might have seen air movers in commercial uses. They're big, clunky, and unattractive. Here is one I saw at a recent visit to an office building. AlorAir has come out with ones that are a bit smaller because our rooms are smaller in homes than they are commercially. They've also thought to have beautiful colors, some design features. There are so many different household situations that benefit from fast-flowing air to mitigate moisture. Anywhere where there's plumbing that can leak is where the Zeus 900 air mover is a great solution. When you're running a household, you often will have plumbing leaks that will go all over, and a water mess will be made in no time at all. A laundry room is an area where there's often leaks, whether it's the machine or the plumbing, as well as a bathroom, whether it's flushing the toilet and having the toilet overflow, or leaks behind the toilet coming from the valve or tubs overflowing. Those plumbing leaks can cause damage, so drying any plumbing leak as fast as you can, as thoroughly as you can, matters so you don't do damage. And cleaning stains off carpets or having a wet carpet is also one of the most important areas of a family household, where you need to dry that carpet quick so it doesn't mold and mildew. And the Zeus 900 is really portable at only 21 pounds. You can move it anywhere you need in your home easily. Here's a specific demonstration in my kitchen. A leaky sink can cause a lot of water to come out fast in high volume. And in no time, it can be all over your kitchen floor. With this high volume of water, I put down the Zeus 900 air mover. Yes, I could have dried it with some towels, but I wanted a very strong test for the Zeus 900. I've positioned my Zeus 900 right at the wet spot. The powerful drying is happening at 950 CFM. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, and it's a rating. That means that this air mover can move 950 cubic feet of air every minute. It's a measure of the unit's power and performance, especially for drying and ventilation. And this example is going to show you the high volume of airflow that the Zeus 900 gives households. AlorAir has made this a radial air mover. With that short profile, it is less than 10 inches high. It is moving around the air with the 6 blades that are on the interior with the fan. I turned it on the highest speed, which takes 1.8 amps of current. It is electricity efficient. You're able to visibly see the water ripple with the fast-moving air from the Zeus 900. This is a good-looking air mover too for a household. It's half the size of the commercial ones. And in about 10 minutes, it completely dried this big puddle on my floor made by my plumbing. In households, carpeting getting wet is a really big problem. Households often have just carpet in a room. There's many ways the carpeting gets wet. One of the ways is by pets. And with pets, you often have to use a carpet cleaner that's going to wet the carpet thoroughly to remove any pet stains. The Zeus 900 is perfect for this application, whether it's a little piddle of a mess or the entire carpets that you've had to shampoo and clean. The Zeus 900 will carry that heavy airflow so you can thoroughly dry carpets within a home. Because of its lightweight, it's only just over 21 pounds, it's easy to move around and to adjust the positions, so you can direct the airflow where you need it. So no matter what reason you need to wash your carpets, whether it's for the pets you have or a water leak that happened even from leaky roofs, whatever's managed to get your carpet wet, that is a must-dry fast situation so they do not mold and mildew. The Zeus 900 is perfect for fast and thorough drying of carpets. And every household I've ever lived in, there's always been a bathroom leak. The plumbing and the valves just seem to have problems and can leak. Mold and mildew can easily form in bathrooms. Between showers running and baths running all the time and all the use of the water of the toilet, as well as leaks, this is one of the most moldy mildew rooms of any household. So beyond just using it for when it's leaking, it's a good idea to have your Zeus 900 air mover in this room In a bathroom, I would suggest maybe once a week for an hour. Bathrooms are prone to build up mold. And the same goes for a laundry room, since washers and dryers are using water and the water is evaporating so much in a laundry room. The Zeus 900 is great to have it down in that laundry room to prevent buildup, again, of mold and mildew. Oftentimes, there are leaks that happens with the washing machines, and it'll get everywhere. I have a tray on mine, but the water can leak out. A laundry room can often be forgotten as a point in a household for mold and mildew to start to grow. What a great place to use your Zeus 900 air mover. So when you stack them, they're secure. And since they're under 22 pounds each, it's easy for me to do this myself with a very small footprint because of their small size to not take up much room in your garage or storage closet. There are 4 levels of airflow you can choose. Here I am demonstrating power level number 1 with my own hair. It feels like the speed of a fan, a normal household fan. I turned it around in my kitchen and I walked toward it so I could feel the air coming at me the closer I got to it. The Zeus 900 could double as a household fan. You can see it blowing my hair. Now check it out when I turned it on high. This is power level 4. I've pointed it to my back kitchen door. That's over 10 feet away. It's already blowing the curtains and blowing me. And as I get closer and closer, it is so powerful. It's as powerful as sticking your head out a car window. I can't even breathe when I'm this close to it. That's how powerful it is. When you order your AlorAir Zeus 900 radial air mover, it'll come to your door. Mine came in this box and I had ordered 2. Here is what one box looks like. I put the box on my counter and I open the top of the box. And on top of the air mover comes the directions, the owner's manual. Here's a close-up of the owner's manual. I'm flipping through it to show you how well it's illustrated. Well written and easy to understand. Here's a close-up of the AlorAir Zeus 900 radial air mover. We see the fan in the center of it. It's a 6-blade fan. On the left of it, we see 2 power inlets. That's where you can daisy chain them together. 120 volt, 3-prong connection. They call these the auxiliary outlets. You can plug anything in there. You don't necessarily need just a daisy chain. It's great to have these auxiliary outlets for other needs you might have. Here's the on and off button, and next to it is a circuit breaker switch in case you were to overload your circuit. It'll pop here and not mess up your fuse box for your house. In the upper left-hand corner, we see the high/low speed switches, and they're indicated with arrows for more flow or less flow. Above those 2 speed switches, there's an LED display to let you know what speed you're currently on. Speeds 1 through 4. Here is the air inlet grill that brings air into the 6-bladed fan. Here is the front cord wrap, a design feature so you can wrap up the cord easily. They also have this clip. You could put a rope through it and hang it from a ceiling for applications where you want to dry something. That could be high up. Here is the power cord that's 20 feet long. The power cord will wrap neatly for storage. AlorAir has designed it to wrap around efficiently with a clip on the top of the 3 prongs so you can secure the top of your cord. And your Zeus 900 has a handy handle for you to carry it around. Underneath the Zeus 900, there are 4 silicone pads so it won't slide around on a wet floor. And it has a fold-out stand for the many configurations for you to place your Zeus 900. Here I am showing you all angles of AlorAir's Zeus 900 radial air mover. Here's the front, and this is the outlet grill. This is where the air will come out. The dimensions are 9.8 inches tall, 21.6 inches long, and 17.3 inches wide. And on the back, it's got its QR code for its warranty and other information. There are 5 different operating positions. There is the horizontal flat position. Here is the stand position. This is great to point it at stairwells and wall drying. Here's another view of the stand position. It's great if you're drywalling or doing some interior construction on your house, pointing it straight up at the wall. Also to dry paint. Here is the left wall drying position, right up on its side, and here is the right wall drying position on its side. And finally, the 5th position is vertical. And you would use this for walls or ceilings, which is great if you get a ceiling leak from a rainstorm. This is how to dry your ceiling fast. It'll point that 950 cubic feet per meter's airflow right up to your ceiling from the floor or from a table in the room. Your ceiling will have that powerful airflow. You just plug it in with a 3-prong plug and you're ready to go. There are no apps for this. Everything is touch and play. You turn on the power button and it starts working. It's at airflow 1 right now. We see that with the LED display. You press it to get to each of the next levels. Level 2, then level 3, then level 4. Powerful airflow. And with the flick of the switch, you turn it off. It'll take a couple of rotations for the fan to stop moving. It was going fast. There are so many situations in a household where the Zeus 900 AlorAir radial air mover comes in handy. AlorAir has now made this for households. Isn't it great that households now can have an attractive air mover to get rid of the moisture in their house? Click the link below to get your AlorAir Zeus 900. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one for a quick dry with AlorAir.